Did you know that nearly 40% of all food ends up wasted? That's almost half of everything we grow. The good news? A few simple changes at home can make a big difference. Let's start with planning. Before you head to the store, check what you already have. Make a list and stick to it. That way, you only buy what you'll actually use. Next, store food the right way. Put older items in front so they get eaten first. Keep fruits and veggies cool and dry in the fridge and seal up leftovers, meats, and cheese to keep them fresher longer. Don't forget to check food labels. Best by dates tell you when food is freshest, while use by dates refer to safety. If something looks or smells off, it's best to toss it. But if it's still good and you won't eat it in time, freeze it for later or donate it to a local food pantry if possible. Leftovers offer another simple solution. Label them with the date and turn them into new meals you can enjoy. Leftover roasted veggies make a great breakfast hash, and last night's chicken can become tacos or soup. You can even save scraps. Onion skins, carrot tops, and bones can be frozen to make flavorful homemade broth. And for scraps you can't eat, like coffee grounds and eggshells, compost them. It turns food into nutrient-rich soil instead of sending it to the landfill. Wasting less is easier than you think, and it all starts in your kitchen. Let's make the most of our food and protect our planet together.